What does your brand actually look like to the world? Not the product, not the website, the mark. The symbol that shows up on packaging, app icons, social profiles, the label on every unit you ship. For most founders and marketers, getting that right means a design brief, a few agency rounds, a week of back and forth, and a bill that starts at a few $100s and climbs fast. What if you could go from a brand description to 3 fully reasoned, professionally visualized logo concepts, complete with strategic rationale, typography direction, color palette, and rendered logo images in under 60 seconds? Today I'm showing you the Professional Logo Creator inside TurboAgents, and it is genuinely unlike anything else in the suite. The interface is a clean 2-column form. Brand basics on the left, visual direction on the right. 9 fields total. I'm going to walk you through exactly what I entered for this demo. The brand is Koya, a premium direct-to-consumer matcha brand sourcing ceremonial-grade matcha from Uji, Japan. In brand identity, I've typed Koya, and in the tagline field, optional but worth using, I've added clarity in every cup. Industry is premium matcha and wellness beverages. For brand description, I've written the full brand positioning. A mindful, high-quality alternative to coffee for wellness-conscious urban professionals who want ritual without compromise. Over in visual direction, brand personality is calm, refined, intentional. Visual style preference is set to luxury and elegant from the drop-down. Color direction is deep jade, warm gold, and off-white. In symbols and metaphors, I've given it 3 specific references: the chasen, the traditional bamboo tea whisk, a torii gate silhouette, and the enso, the wabi-sabi circle from Japanese calligraphy. And finally, usage context. Packaging labels, app icon, e-commerce website, and social media. That specificity matters. The more precisely you brief it, the sharper the output. Now, generate logo strategy. While it runs, you can see exactly what TurboAgents is doing: analyzing brand personality, synthesizing visual metaphors, selecting typography pairings, developing color palettes, formulating image prompts. About 30 seconds. Then the output arrives. The output opens with a branded header, Koya in large uppercase, the personality badge reading calm, refined, intentional, and the industry tag sitting right beside it. Below that, the strategic brief. The strategic overview positions Koya at the intersection of Japanese heritage and contemporary DTC luxury, a brand for professionals who see their daily ritual as an expression of identity. The visual direction calls for traditional Japanese minimalism elevated through high-end design principles with no decorative clutter. Typography and color specifies a sophisticated serif or wide-spaced refined sans serif, with deep jade anchoring the palette as the primary equity color, warm gold representing luxury and refinement, and off-white conveying clarity and calm. Under symbolism, TurboAgents has unpacked each of the 3 references I provided. The enso as aerial matcha bowl, the chasen as ritual made visible, the torii gate as the threshold between chaos and clarity. This is a genuine strategic brief, not a list of adjectives, a reasoned creative framework. Now scroll down to where it gets visual. Concept 01 is called the mindful enso, a combination mark built around a gold-brushed enso circle that simultaneously evokes the aerial view of a matcha bowl, the philosophy of wabi-sabi, and the brand's promise of clarity and presence. Type, combination, mark, style, minimalist, organic, luxurious. I hit visualize concept and both options render at once. Option A shows the gold enso as a textured, hand-drawn quality ring with the Koya wordmark in deep jade sitting inside it. Delicate leaf accents completing the composition. Warm, ceremonial, premium. Option B strips the enso back to a near-perfect clean circle in gradient gold with the wordmark centered. More refined, more minimal, built for app icon scale. Both are download ready as PNGs right now, directly from the interface. Concept 02 is the golden chasen, a geometric modern abstraction of the traditional bamboo tea whisk, representing the authentic ritual of ceremonial matcha preparation elevated to a luxury experience. Type, icon plus wordmark. Style, geometric, delicate, symmetrical, sophisticated. I hit visualize concept. Option A renders the chasen as a warm gold icon, the woven bamboo tines fanning outward with beautiful symmetry, sitting above the Koya wordmark in deep jade on an off-white background. Clean, elegant, instantly recognizable. Option B goes further, enclosing the chasen inside a detailed geometric octagonal border in gold, with the jade wordmark below, a heritage emblem quality that would sit beautifully on packaging. And here's a feature worth knowing. If option A is perfect, but option B missed, you can regenerate just that one option independently. The other stays untouched. Concept 03 is the gate of clarity, A minimal torii gate silhouette used as an abstract mark, symbolizing the transition from a chaotic urban lifestyle into a mindful, clear state of being. Type: abstract mark. Style: sleek, architectural, contemporary luxury. Option A renders as a deep jade circular badge with the torii gate in warm gold centered inside it and the Koya wordmark below. Bold, confident, works perfectly as an app icon. Option B flips the treatment. A warm gold torii gate line drawing sits above the Koya wordmark on an off-white background, with the macron over the O clearly rendered in the wordmark typography. Architectural, restrained, made for the website header and packaging label. 3 concepts, 3 completely different strategic bets, all generated, all download ready. Now, one click on Download Doc in the output header and the entire output exports as a formatted Word document, strategic brief, all 3 concept directions with their rationale and specs, and all 6 generated logo images embedded directly in the file. Ready to share with a client, drop into a pitch deck, or hand to a developer as a production brief. Let's put a number on what just happened. A comparable agency brief with 3 logo concepts and rendered visuals. Minimum 1 week, minimum $500, often much more. TurboAgents Professional Logo Creator, 60 seconds for the strategy, another 30 per concept for the images. For a DTC founder doing a brand refresh, that's the difference between a decision you can make this afternoon and a project that eats a month. For an agency, it means walking into a pitch with 3 fully resolved visual directions, each with a strategic rationale, instead of a mood board and a promise. The Professional Logo Creator is live now inside TurboAgents. Link in the description. Think about a brand you're building, refreshing or pitching. Fill in the 9 fields, hit generate, and in 60 seconds you'll have a strategic brief and 3 visual directions that would have taken a week to brief out. Try it today, and if this walkthrough was useful, subscribe. There's a lot more coming. Thanks for watching.